the bed frame just pulls right out. And this is adjustable up to 6'4". And once you've got that, the bed boards will just unfold right on top. Boxes, and they're very lightweight, and you can just take one side out and leave the other side in. This serves as a single bed.
This is trunk made, perfectly fit my element, and it opens with no problems. Look at all this space I got in there. Boom, massive space. And if you guys have swivel seats, then you can also utilize it just to add a little bit of support there. Pretty cool setup.